Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says for any 2 points M and N in the plane XY, Mn bar denotes the vector from M to N. O bar denotes zero vector. Okay. Let PQR be three distinct points in the plane XY. So, we have a plane XY. Okay. So, we got P Q R. Okay, now let S be the point inside the triangle this such that this. Okay, so I will solve this question. Suppose I will consider this to be P vector, this to be Q vector, this to be R vector. Okay, now since these guys are saying that SP vector 5, SQ vector 6, SR vector equal 0. Okay, now can I break down this function as final minus initial P minus S. Okay, then 5Q minus 5S, then 6R minus 6X 6S. Okay, and what I will try to find, I will try to find, let S be the point inside, so we will try to find out the value of S. Okay, so look at this and this, so it is 12S, so 12S that side, so you got 12S as P plus 5Q plus 6R. Okay, so can I say that S vector equals P plus 5Q plus 6R? I did nothing, I just extended this part and just I wrote it. That's it. Okay, now then we have E F. E and F are the midpoints of the side PR. So PR is E, F is the midpoint of QR, F is the midpoint of QR. So can you tell me the coordinate of E? So it is P plus R by 2, F is Q plus R by 2. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now how we will solve this question? Look at this. We need to find out length of EF by length of ES. So we will find out EF vector. Okay, so you know that it is F minus E. You know that who is F, so it is Q plus R by 2 minus P plus R by 2. So R thing gone, you got Q minus P by 2. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Okay, now length of ES. So ES will become what? S minus E. So who is S? S is P plus 5Q plus 6R by 12 minus E. E you already know that it is P plus R by 2. I'll multiply and divide by 6. Okay, so 6R 6 are gone. Okay, and then we have, look at this part, we have 6p minus. Okay, so can I write 5p minus, sorry, 5q minus 5p by 12? Okay, so can I take 5 by 12 common? So 5 by 12 is common, we are left with q minus p. And if you'll observe here also, we got the same thing. So here what I will do, I will be, yes, I will write this thing. Okay, now we need to do what? We need to find out the magnitude. So required value is magnitude of EF, okay, by magnitude of ES will be what? Q minus P by 2, 5 Q minus P by 12. This thing gone, this thing simplified, so we got 6 by 5. So the required value is 6 by 5. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.